What's good everyone, Whelen here. This is my first video back, first video sort of the actual upload grind of 2021. So today is going to be a pretty fun little adventure we have planned. We are out here in a small sort of rural town called Whelen, and today we're going to be hiking up Mount Donna Buang. So this mountain rises 1,200 meters above sea level. Basically, we're going to start the hike. We have about 6 or 7 kilometers until we reach the top, and at the moment it's a very cloudy day, so hopefully I can fly the drone up there and just get some insane moody shots. Pretty crazy to think that we're currently in summer in Australia and we're getting these sort of cool moody hiking conditions, but yeah, I'm pretty excited to start the hike and hopefully this goes well. Another thing I will say before we start the hike is that this video or this hike is actually also going to be a bit of a recon mission. This mountain gets a lot of snow in winter, so hopefully if this trail is pretty good and we get some good views, I'm definitely going to be coming back here to film a nice snowy moody vlog for you guys. Without further ado, here we are at the trailhead. We've got the crew here. We're going to start the hike, and I'll see you when I next see you. Enjoy some B-roll. Officially setting trail. Start of the Mount Donna Buang hike is now. Alright, so we have made it to about 1,000 meters up the mountain. We got 200 to go, and we've made it to sort of the main road from the trail. So yeah, we got about 200 meters to go until we get to the top. And yeah, it's really nice conditions for photos, as you can see. The hike itself up was insanely muddy. Just have a look at my shoes. They are just, I mean, yeah, they aren't in the best state, but I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, if you are thinking of doing this track, I recommend getting some hiking sticks or some actual boots, because it's really going to help you out if you come on sort of like a wet day. But yeah, we'll keep going and hopefully we get to the top soon. All right guys, so we're at the point now where we have 1 kilometer to go. We are well and truly up in the fog. And have a look at this. This is actually one of the highlights of this trail from what we know. So guys, this here is essentially a freshwater spring. So this water's coming straight from the mountains. We've seen all the creeks that are funneling it, but basically this water here is just coming straight from the mountains, fresh water. So we're gonna do a taste test for you guys. All right guys, so I filled up with some of this fresh spring water and I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. Straight from the mountains. Guys, we are well and truly up in the clouds here. Holy moly. We've made it to the top of the summit and we're currently heading up the tower. It was a tough hike, a little bit tougher than we thought, but let's head up there and see what views we get. Alright guys, so we're on the top, as you can see. It's really foggy, there aren't many views, but we're going to make the most of it, still fly the drone, still get some shots, and hopefully it goes well. Alright, so we're going to send the drone up. It has cleared up a little bit, hopefully it's not too windy because there is a lot of fog moving through, but let's go.
Please check it on the map.
So guys, after 6 hours, we're back at the trailhead. It was a long hike, it was a muddy hike, it was definitely a bit tiring. I think we underestimated it just the slightest bit, but overall I think it was a pretty good day. We definitely got some great B-roll and some great footage that I'm stoked for you guys to see, and hopefully you've enjoyed this video. But guys, that is it for this video. I'm gonna wrap up the video here and the hike now that we're done. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.